Yato dharmasthasto jaya. Good morning, friends. Welcome Supreme Court weekly roundup from 31st August 2020 to 5th September 2020. First, Supreme Court sentences Prashant Bhushan to a fine of ₹1 in the contempt case over his two tweets. In the Prashant Bhushan and others. Second, Supreme Court grants 10 years of period for the telcos to clear AGR dues. First 10% to be paid by March 2021. Union of India versus Association of Unified Telecom Services Provider of India. Third, accounts not declared NPA as on August 31st, not to be declared as NPA till matter is disposed of. Supreme Court held in the Gajendra Sharma versus Union of India and another. NET JEE exam. Supreme Court dismisses the review petition filed by the 6 states ministers seeking postponement of exam held in the Mole Ghatak and others and versus NTA has become a trend now. Supreme Court stayed disciplinary proceeding against Madhya Pradesh district judge on account of the sexual harassment allegation held in the Shambhu Singh versus High Court Madhya Pradesh. 6. This is a small case. Supreme Court refuses bail to 1984 anti-Sikh rights accused Sajan Kumar held in the Sajan Kumar versus Union of India. CBSE compartment exam. Supreme Court directs CBSE to file affidavit stipulating a scheme, dates and details. Hearing on the September 10 held in the Anika Sambedi versus Union of India. 8. Supreme Court order removal of the 48,000 slums dwelling around Delhi rail tracks in 3 months. Stops courts from granting a stay held in the MC Mehta versus Union of India. 9. Tabligh Jamaat foreigners. Supreme Court allowed transfer of the pending trials in the UP. Directs High Court to designate a specific court for expeditious disposal held in the M. Hadrami versus Union of India. 10th, anti-dumping duty. Judicial review should not be exercised virtually as a continuous oversight of the designated authority function. Supreme Court held in the case the designated authority versus the Andhra Petrochemicals Limited. 11. Giving and fabricating false evidence. In this case, private complaint alleging offences under section 191 and 192 of the IPC not maintainable when it is committed in relation to court proceedings. 12. Servicing a judicial officer cannot club their previous experience as advocate to the claim eligibility for elevation as High Court judges. Supreme Court held in the R. Pranimia versus Union of India and others. 13. Prevention of the Food Adulteration Act. No violation of labeling regulation if relevant information traceable from the War Code. Supreme Court held in the Raghav Gupta versus State National Company Capital Territory of the Delhi. Supreme Court upheld registry refusal to register application seeking recall of the contempt judgment in the Vijay Kurle case. Imposed 25,000 cost on Rashid Khan Pathan held in the Rashid Khan Pathan in the matter of the Vijay Kurle and others. 15. Supreme Court issued direction for protection of the Linga at Ujjain Mahakaleshwar temple held in the Sarika versus Administrator Mahakaleshwar Mandir Committee Ujjain and others. 16. Appeal against NCDRC order passed in execution proceeding not maintainable under section 23 Consumer Protection Act held in by the Supreme Court in measure MBS Infrastructure Private Limited versus MBS Island Apartment Owners. 17. Migrant worker case. Supreme Court pulls up Delhi and Maharashtra for note filing affidavit showing compliance of welfare statute in problems and miseries of the migrant workers. 18. Delhi air pollution. Supreme Court direct completion of the smoke towers construction in 10 months, held in the MC Mehta versus Union of India. 19. Supreme Court issued notice on the plea challenging AP High Court verdict quashing government decision to convert government schools to English medium. A state of Andhra Pradesh versus Srinivas Gutampally held by the Supreme Court. 20. Supreme Court issued notice on the Indira Jaising plea seeking calling of application for senior designation as per the guideline held in the Indira Jaising versus Secretary General Supreme Court. 21st, where do we draw the line? Supreme Court dismisses plea by woman officer completing 14 years in service after cut-off date for extension of the commission held in Secretary Ministry of Defense versus Bhavita Punia. 22nd, go to appropriate forum. Supreme Court refuses to entertain Netflix appeal against Bihar order restraining use of the Subhatra Roy name in the Babe series held in Netflix versus Sahara. 23rd, Supreme Court refuses bail to teen accused of killing minor in Gurugaon school in 2017 held in the Volu versus CBI. 24. We hope and trust that the appointment to NCDRC shall be made soon. Supreme Court extend terms of the NCDRC member by 1 month held in the Kudrat Sandhu versus Union of India. 25th. Supreme Court keeps Kolkata High Court order regulating fees of the private unaided minority educational institution in abeyance. Directs petitioner to seek recall held in the LA Martini for boys school and others versus Beneath Rua and others. 26. Supreme Court dismisses TN judicial officer petition challenging non-consideration of their names for elevation as Madras High Court judges held in the R. Purnima and others versus Union of India. 27. Supreme Court accepts SBI cap funding for 6 Amrapali project held in the Bikaram Chatterjee versus Union of India. And 28. Everyone is to blame. Supreme Court raises concern about idiocies prevailing in the appointment of the teacher and lecturers held in the Sanjay Singh and other and versus state of UP and others. 29. Supreme Court issued notice to UP government in plea challenging amendment to law of appointment of the teachers to minority educational institution held in the committee of the management Hafiz Muhammad Siddiqui Islam Inter College and others. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching Supreme Court weekly roundup. This will cover from the 31st August to 5 September. We are trying to weekly roundup around every week, most probably on Monday from the last week. So thank you so much for watching this news days or weekly roundup on Supreme Court. Thank you so much.